Hey everyone, it's Mark Schultz here, founder of DigitalAircraft. And I'm here today with an interesting Friday session where I have a topic that's really super interesting to me. And it's basically digital and aviation. But specifically, we're going to be looking at advanced technology today. I have a guest with me who's with a company called Acubed. And it's a division of Airbus, which is focusing on technology and innovation, supporting of aerospace. Stick with me here. You're not going to want to miss this. My guest that's with us today, let me go ahead and just bring him right in. It's Scott Campbell.
Hey, how you doing?
Scott, how are you today?
Good, good. How are you?
Excellent. Very good. Hey, Scott, thanks for joining me today. In our discussion sessions in advance of doing the live interview today here, I found out that Scott is really excited about aviation and digital. And so we immediately formed a common bond. And I thank you for that participation in the industry. Can you tell everybody just who you are and what do you do?
Yeah, sure. So I'm Scott Campbell. I'm a a project executive at Acubed, which is an Airbus innovation center. The focus of what I do is on uncrewed traffic management, and what that is that's really building digital solutions to enable the integration of new types of aircraft in a very safe, efficient, fair, and kind of flexible way.
Very good. You know, Scott, this summer I had a number of guests on my broadcast that I did who are also from the UTM, the uncrewed traffic management space. And they told me that we're looking at a very significant growth in traffic, you know, in the near future, probably as much as 10x growth in traffic. And the traffic systems out there are going to have a really difficult time in handling that unless we create, you know, innovative solutions and ideas to be able to handle that. Is that also your understanding?
Yeah, 100%. You know, the biggest thing in thinking through the future is if the traffic levels get to anywhere close to where people say they're going to be, there's going to be a need for other systems to come in and supplement, at a minimum, supplement what the current system is doing. And so that's really kind of where we see a lot of the value of UTM is really supporting the scalable growth of all the air traffic.
Perfect. Scaling and safety always. I mean, we don't even talk about safety because it's an assumption, but we should, I guess, you know, in order to be able to maintain safety and continue to scale, you know, we have to really do that. Hey, Scott, people are always interested in knowing about someone's background and sort of their journey and how they got where they are. Can you just tell us a little bit about yourself? You know, what's your background and how did you get to what you're doing, you know, currently at Acubed?
Yeah, no, that's a great question. So, you know, as a kid, I've always loved aviation. I studied aerospace engineering in school, and also went and got all my pilot certificates and thought I might want to be a pilot, but chose to go the engineering route. That led me a couple places, one to Boeing for a couple years, and then off to grad school, where I really, in grad school, really got an appreciation of how, you know, modern digital, you know, either control theory or optimization theory can be used to make the air traffic management system more efficient. So grad school, what that did is that motivated me to go out and do cool things in industry. So I worked at MIT for a bit doing research on air traffic management for the FAA. When UTM started becoming a thing in 2015, 2016, I saw it as this awesome new almost sandbox that you could jump into to really invent the future. So from there, I helped start a UTM company called Aeros out of GE. Spent a couple years there, and then went to Airbus doing very similar stuff. So very excited about it still.
What a great background. You know, it really is.